In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ActiveCampaign to WordPress using ActiveCampaign forms. Let's dive right in. First, you need to head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main hub where you manage your website, blog, or online store. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the login option, so go ahead and sign in to access your account. After logging in successfully, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. Now, look at the left-hand menu and click on Plugins. Plugins are basically add-ons that give extra functionality to your website and help you customize it according to your needs. With the Plugins page open, go to the search bar and type ActiveCampaign. From the results, look for ActiveCampaign and WP Forms. Make sure you select the correct one so it works properly with both services. Then click Install Now and activate the plugin. After activation, the integration process will guide you through connecting ActiveCampaign with your WordPress site. Follow the setup steps carefully to complete the connection. Once everything is done, your ActiveCampaign is successfully connected with WordPress, and you're ready to start using forms and managing your campaigns easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to our channel.